Hello, welcome back to the Alarm Setup Tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to talk about the deterrence feature. It is similar to the siren, but instead of an audio alarm, deterrence uses lights. You should have an AI detection method already configured. If you haven't done so, you could consult other videos about this subject on our channel. As always, we need to log in and open the setup menu. Go to Deterrence under the Alarm category. There are two types of deterrence lights. The first type is the white LED strobe light. This option is only available when the camera is in day-night infrared mode. Check the box to enable it. This number determines how many seconds the strobe light will blink once triggered. Check this box to enable the second type of deterrence light, an alternating red and blue warning light. This warning light is available when the camera is set to either day-night mode or full color mode. This field determines how many seconds the warning light will stay on once triggered. You can set the scheduling of the strobe light by going in here. Select the detection method you've set up. For example, we want strobe light to be active only at night from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. You can also set the scheduling for the warning light independently. Select the detection method. Let's say we want the warning light to be active only during daytime from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Clicking the Setup button opens up the detailed setup menu. Most of the settings are represented in the previous menu, except for one extra setting. Strobe frequency determines how fast the strobe light blinks. Make sure to hit Apply to complete the setup.